Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Horia. In this video, I would like to talk about Amazon Global Logistics, which is a service Amazon provides for sellers where you can ship your goods from China all the way to the US or UK and Germany. I've used this service for over a year during the pandemic, and I would like to talk about my experience, the pros, the cons. But before we dive into that, I would like to take you to the screen and show you why did I actually went for AGL. I will show you all the quotes I was getting that made me think about using AGL, the prices I was getting from the freight forwarders. So go to the screen and show you this. This is a container, 40 HiQ. This is an actual quote, it's not an example. That was the price at then, in October 2020, for 2,398. This shipment's going to the UK. So what we are interested in is the ocean freight. Look at the ocean freight. The ocean freight in USD is 2,150 USD dollar. That was in October 2020. So that's when the price normal. But a month after, this price has doubled. In November 2020, the price of the actual shipment is 4,812. And look at the ocean freight, 5,300 USD. Then again, in December 2020, look at how much it's increased. 9,000 for the actual freight, the ocean freight. The same shipment, 40 HiQ. And then in March 2021, the price even increased to 10,000 for the freight, again for the same shipment, going to the UK, 40 HiQ container. And then finally, in June 2021, the price increased to 13,800 just for the freight in USD dollar. So that was the main reason why I looked into AGL. The price was just ridiculous. Now that I've seen all these crazy prices, that was the main reason that made me to try AGL. So what's the pros? The first pro, obviously the price. As you can see, when there was a pandemic and there was issues with shipping, Amazon was much cheaper option. The second pro, faster delivery to Amazon warehouse. So once you get a shipment from China, normally what the freight forwarders, they will deliver to port and then they'll ask you to pay the taxes, and then they will book an appointment with Amazon. So they will not book it while it's on the sea, so they will book it as soon as it arrives. Sometimes Amazon will give them 2 weeks, and sometimes it would take about 4 weeks or even longer. It had happened before that, taken about a month to get a slot with Amazon. As soon as you see on the tracking that the shipment will arrive at a certain day, Amazon will book it within 2 weeks of that arrival to the warehouse. So within 2 weeks, and sometimes much quicker than that. So you'll get a slot immediately, guaranteed a slot immediately. The third pro is getting it checked in your inventory quicker. So when you book something with a freight forwarder, Amazon will actually accept the shipment, and then you will get an email saying the shipment being accepted, it's been delivered, but you don't get an email saying it's been checked into your inventory. Sometimes there's a delay between delivered to checked in. With AGL, I did not see that. Immediately, as soon as the goods are delivered, they're immediately checked into your inventory. So you basically have access to your goods very quickly. The fourth pro is to do with the cash flow. So when you get the freight forwarders, they would want their money as soon as the goods arrive at port. You will have to pay the shipping fees, the taxes, everything. With AGL, all this, the goods will be delivered and you start selling before Amazon claim that money from your sales. Sometimes it takes about 2 weeks, sometimes longer. So you will get the goods delivered, sold, and then you'll pay all the shipping fees and all the taxes. So it will give you a bit of leeway with the cash flow. Now with the cons. So there's not major cons with AGL that I found, or my experience was in the UK. I haven't tried the US except for air shipment, and that was a long time. It took a very long time. It was not a great experience for the air shipment AGL to the US. So I did not try the sea with AGL for the US, but I tried it for the UK. As I said, for over a year I've used AGL. Once you are getting on board for AGL, you will get a lot of emails. So many departments will be emailing you saying, we are at so-and-so, the shipment is going this way, we so-and-so, this is the tracking, we so-and-so, it's arrived at certain position, you will get a lot of email, a lot of texts, a lot of people basically sending you email back and forth. So if you want to use AGL, I would advise you to use one email that you don't use regularly, to basically be for AGL only, because you will get a lot of emails. That's one of the cons. And that takes me to the second one, which is you'll get a spam as well. So basically, as I said, I've had a dedicated email for AGL, and nobody knows about this email. And then I was getting emails with the spam about shipping companies emailing me. So basically, your data has been spread somewhere else in China. So they will send you email saying you can use our company, we can ship things faster or cheaper, or whatever. So you will get a spam. The third con, I would say, is the only issue why I left AGL, because price now are coming down to normal. Everything is back to normal with shipping companies. If you don't want Amazon to have full control if your goods, so basically Amazon have all the controls in your inventory, your goods, everything. So it's too much risk to have for one company. That's the main reason I stopped AGL. So I want to have the control over my goods with different company. We sell on Amazon, and then we ship it from with different company or different freight forwarders. So this was my experience with AGL. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment below. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share.